Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you step by step how to properly clean and maintain the micro USB charging port on a 5th generation Motorola Moto E6 phone. We start by turning off the phone. Never clean the phone while it is turned on, so press the power button and then select the power off option. Once the phone is completely turned off, for cleaning we need a brush with flexible bristles, preferably soft to medium hard, about 2 centimeters long, just so it's long enough to reach the end of the port. We need isopropyl alcohol that is 100% pure, so it will soften the dirt, so the dirt can be cleaned off, and then it will evaporate from the port, leaving no trace behind. If we use some weak alcohol, then the dirt mixed with the alcohol would just end up dirtying the port even more, and it still wouldn't work as it should. Both the brush and the infuser can be bought as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have access, you can try using a toothbrush. Just make sure, as I mentioned, to use soft or medium bristles, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. Once we have everything ready, we moisten our cleaning brush with alcohol. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the charging port. We insert the brush as far in as possible and move it to the side. And we repeat this operation about 10 to 15 times in one direction. We never clean back and forth, because that won't do anything. It will just move the dirt around inside the port, but the dirt won't actually come out of the port. But performing this exact motion repeatedly several times over in one direction gradually causes all of the accumulated dirt to eventually work its way out of the port. It completely exits the charging port area, and we end up with it being entirely spotless and perfectly clean. If we did about 10 repetitions in one direction, now we do the same in the opposite direction. So we insert the brush into the port from the other side and move it in the opposite direction, and again 10 to 15 repetitions, so that the port is cleaned from both sides and works as it should. After cleaning, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and after that time you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.